Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, as the title suggests, I'm going to show you guys how I make my customized bling hair clips to put in my hair. I'm sure that you guys see them all around on Instagram and all over the place, and they're a bit pricey, so I decided to do a take on it myself. I mean, they're not perfect, but they do work and they are cute, so let's jump right into it. So at the start of the clip, I showed you guys some wooden letters that I got from Michael's. They're pretty much like $1 and some change, pretty cheap. And then I showed you guys some bobby pins, regular bobby pins, the giant ones, so all the words can fit. I'm gonna also use a Sharpie, some crazy glue, and a scissors. And right now I'm showing you guys a sheet of Swarovski, if I'm not mistaken, little diamonds. So those are not my first choice, but they were out of the individual ones, so I made do with what I could have gotten. I really did not like that strip one because it has like a glue tip to the back, and it really didn't work with how I wanted to curve, you know, the diamonds on the letters. But hey, I made it work and it came out to be something. So right here, I'm just pretty much putting all the letters that I want together that I'm gonna put on my clip. I decided to go with Black Girl Magic because, I mean, baby, obviously, black girls are magical. We're unicorns, baby, we're unicorns. No shade on the other race, of course, but baby, black girls are magic. So yeah, I pretty much put the words together. Now I'm gonna take a, guess what guys? So I got this glove because I'm out of gloves, out of a perm box. You know those Instaperm, olive oil perm or whatever? I had one in my closet and I could not find a glove. So I was like, oh, let me check in here. And lo and behold, I found one. So I decided to use that just so I don't get marker on my nails. I mean, obviously my nails need to be filled, but I still like to keep them looking clean. They look a mess, but you guys get the idea. So I pretty much colored in the letter with the black marker, and I'm just gonna do that with all the letters, and I'm gonna leave you guys watching it. I mean, I didn't, you know, show you guys all the letters being colored in. It would have been a waste of time. I'm sorry for mumbling, but I just decided to color those in so it would not get in the way. And now we're going to get started on putting the gems on the letters. So like I said, I didn't really like these gems because they're pretty much just one straight paper. You gotta cut them down and then you have to stick them onto the letters. Then they don't curve how the letters curve, so it was a bit of difficulty doing that. But I mean, I wanted to give y'all a video. I wanted to show y'all at least something. Normally, I would get the individual gems, but Michael's or even the dollar store didn't have. So I just said, you know what? Let me get something out there because I really want to show you guys this. And, you know, it turned out to be stunning. It's not perfect, but you guys get the idea. So if anybody wants to do this by themselves, I highly suggest and recommend that you get the individual gems. I was about to say Swarovski again. That word is so giant. But you know those gems like what I have on my nails now, those individual gems, those would be the perfect ones to get because they do fit onto the wooden letters and they do, you know, curve into the shape of the letters. This, you have to cut it, you have to mold it, and it's quite difficult. So yeah, I'm gonna let you guys keep on watching and see what I do or what I do or what I do, and then I'll get back into it. Alright guys, so I did all my letters with the gem. Listen, yeah, this was so very much difficult, and I know they look big and gunky, but you know, I'm a perfectionist and I don't like my stuff looking big and gunky, but it still worked. I mean, I did the clips, they were cute, and I asked my brother, you know, hey, how does this look? Does it look good? He was like, hey, it's Black Girl Magic. I can read that it's Black Girl Magic. Let's keep it pushing. So I did just that. So now here I'm showing you guys, I'm taking the crazy glue. If you don't have crazy glue, you could always use like Elmer's glue, school glue. I suggest crazy glue or Gorilla Glue because you're putting this on metal and you want it to stay on for quite some time. So it's better with that type of glue with a very super hold. So I'm just putting it on the back of the hairpin because I want it to lay flat, and you know the top of the hairpin has a curve. So I just pretty much put it there, and I'm gonna place the rest of the letters on there. I'm just gonna put the glue on and then place the letters. So you guys keep on watching. Alright guys, so here's where it proved difficult for me other than using my long nails to do this whole procedure. At the end of the black girl, like I shortened the word as much as I could, the L could not fit. So what I did is I just pasted some glue onto the R, like the side of the R, and I decided to stick the L onto the R because it's not directly on the pin, and it turned out just fine. It worked out for me. So if, like, I suggest you don't go crazy with the long words, but I kind of made it work with this one. I don't know if it will work with something big like dripping or glamazante or something like that, but you know, if you want to do something big like that, I suggest you get a bigger pin, or you just get like one of those clips. I think I used some of them in my last video, those longer clips, but this worked out pretty fine and I was happy about it. Like I said, the whole clip isn't perfect, but it did work out and I really liked my end product. So I'm gonna let you guys keep on watching and see how it turns out, okay? I'll see you in a bit. Alright guys, so I completed the next clip with the word magic, and here I am just making sure that the letters are stuck properly to the clip. So I just decided to paste some more glue at the back of the clip, make sure everything is intact, because you don't want to be out there, you know, partying whatever and it turns into Black Girl Madge or Black Girl Mag or something like that. So this is the end product. I look very crusty, guys. Do not judge me. I just decided to put it in my hair to see how it looks, and I ended up liking the end product. It was cute. But I want to thank you guys for tuning in and watching this video. Like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Adios.